Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: valid ID, bank-linked, and two-factor authentication active. Once done, fund the account with at least the minimum required, typically $1,000, to access challenges or live trading. Make sure to read the firm's rulebook so you know daily loss caps and permitted leverage. This prevents accidental rule breaches. Now log into the trading interface, set up your watch list, and prepare one simple strategy you'll test first. No overcomplicating yet. You now move into execution. Pick a strategy with defined entry, stop, and target so risk is measurable. Once you identify a trade, calculate position size using the account risk percent, typically 1% per trade, and place stop loss first to protect capital. Make sure to use the platform's order types and avoid market orders during high volatility. Monitor your open P&L, margin usage, and drawdown. Adjust only when rules and your plan allow, not on impulse. To finish, close positions according to your plan, take profits or apply trailing stops where permitted to protect gains. Once you meet payout thresholds and verification, submit a withdrawal. Keep records for taxes and any 1099-like documents. If something goes wrong, like execution errors or unexpected fills, pause trading immediately, gather trade ID and screenshots, and contact support. Persistence pays. Document every step. Learn from the issue, then resume only after resolution and a brief plan adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.